Hello, welcome to EdaFace Media, which is part of EdaFace Ecosystem. I am Patricia. EdaFace is a user interface aggregator powering the decentralized world system using blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. EdaFace Media will be providing you with regular news updates about the emerging digital age. Therefore, subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep receiving up-to-date news. Disclaimer: the information provided in this broadcast does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. It is purely for your information, education, and entertainment. You can read our full disclaimer on EdaFace's website at edaface.com. Breaking news of the week. First breaking news. UAE quietly builds $453 million Bitcoin treasure. Blockchain analysts have uncovered that the United Arab Emirates has quietly amassed a massive stockpile of Bitcoin, not by buying it on exchanges, but by mining it with its own industrial-scale operations. Wallets tied to a mining company linked to Abu Dhabi's Royal Group now holds about 6,782 BTC, worth roughly $453 million at current prices, with around $344 billion in unrealized profit when ignoring energy and running costs. This stash has grown steadily since operations began in 2022, and recent data shows daily production remains robust at roughly 4 BTC per day. Unlike other countries whose holdings often come from seizures, most of this reserve was generated through continuous mining and then held in place, signaling confidence in Bitcoin's future value. This move places the UAE among a small group of national players building meaningful digital reserves and reflects broader ambitions to diversify beyond traditional assets like oil and gas into emerging financial infrastructure. While the holdings themselves represent a modest fraction of Bitcoin's total supply, the scale and discipline of this strategy underline a growing interest in digital assets as part of sovereign wealth and long-term economic planning. Second breaking news. Russia's crypto surge meets regulatory push. Russia's financial authorities have revealed that the country's cryptocurrency market is now processing around $650 million in digital asset transactions every single day, adding up to more than $130 billion annually, a sign of explosive growth and widespread crypto use among citizens and investors. A sign of explosive growth and widespread crypto use among citizens and investors. Much of this activity, officials say, currently takes place outside any formal regulatory framework, posing challenges for oversight, taxation, and financial stability. In response, the Ministry of Finance and the Bank of Russia are racing to bring the booming crypto market under state control. Lawmakers are preparing a comprehensive regulatory bill that is expected to go before the State Duma this spring, with the aim of creating a licensing and compliance regime for exchanges, brokers, and other intermediaries. Under the planned rules, digital currencies and stablecoins would be officially recognized as currency assets, and domestic platforms could offer spot and derivatives trading once compliance requirements are met. Officials see this shift as a way to capture tax revenue, prevent illicit use, and channel the massive daily liquidity into regulated venues such as the Moscow Exchange, MOEX, which already lists Bitcoin and Ether futures and is preparing to expand its crypto offerings. At the same time, authorities are considering requirements for foreign exchanges to operate through local subsidiaries, a move that could further consolidate trading activity with Russia's legal framework. Third breaking news. Bitcoin's $40 billion Bitcoin blunder sent crypto markets reeling. South Korea's major crypto exchange, Bitcoin, became the center of a dramatic market incident earlier this month when a routine promotional payout went horribly wrong. What was supposed to be a tiny reward program crediting users with roughly 20,000 Korean won each Instead, so the exchange's system mistakenly credits hundreds of accounts with 620,000 Bitcoin due to a unit error, BTC instead of KRW, representing a notional value of more than $40 billion before most of the error was reversed. Within about 35 minutes, trading and withdrawals on the affected accounts were frozen, and the exchange recovered nearly 99.7% of the wrongly credited coins. The glitch didn't just stay on the books, it spilled into the market. Some users managed to sell their erroneous balances before the freeze, briefly triggering a local price crash of roughly 15-70% of Bitcoin's Bitcoin market as traders dumped the phantom BTC, even though no actual on-chain transfers occurred. The episode highlighted how internal accounting errors at centralized exchanges can ripple out to affect prices and investor confidence, raising concerns about operational robustness. Regulators responded swiftly, with South Korea's Financial Services Commission (FSC) and Financial Supervisory Service extending investigations and increasing scrutiny of exchange controls and risk management processes. Crypto market analysis. Over the past week, the crypto markets has been in a tug of war between short-term optimism and lingering downside pressure. Bitcoin BTC has mostly oscillated around $68,000-ish levels, briefly brushing the $70,000 mark before retreating as mild profit-taking setting, a pattern that has left prices stuck in a relatively narrow band rather than on the sharp uptrend. Meanwhile, Ethereum, ETH, and many large-cap altcoins have shown choppy price behavior, dipping below key round figures and struggling for conviction as traders grapple with mixed signals from macroeconomic data and risk sentiment. Despite this, total market capitalization has $250 levels, supported by pockets of buying interest in select assets. Sentiment has been cautious, with fear still prevalent in many segments of the market. Market gauges have shown that traders remain wary of a deeper sell-off, especially after earlier weeks of heightened volatility and drawdowns. A brief bounce over the weekend gave some confidence, with BTC stabilizing and a handful of altcoins posting gains, but the overall mood still leans towards risk off until a more definitive catalyst emerges. Institutional flows and on-chain metrics show mixed footing, with some products seeing outflows or weak inflows, a sign that real money. Eda Coin update. The NFT marketplace, which is the fifth component of EdaFace, has successfully passed through the various stages of development and is now in its testnet phase, where it is being integrated into the single sign-on system of EdaFace Ecosystem. What is unique about the EdaFace NFT marketplace? Friends, EdaFace NFT marketplace has unique features such as 1. 3 market arenas. EdaFace NFT marketplace is uniquely divided into 3 arenas for each of the 3 kinds of non-fungible tokens NFTs, which are art, collectible, and gaming NFTs. This division allows users easy access and navigation across the platform. 2. Multi-chain capability. The unique thing about EdaFace NFT marketplace is that it is a multi-chain platform. This means it can accept non-fungible tokens from different blockchain platforms such as Ethereum and BNB-based platforms. 3. Intra-chain transfer. Non-fungible tokens can be minted on other marketplaces such as OpenSea or Binance and then transferred to EdaFace NFT marketplace for display to the teeming EdaFace community. Likewise, users can mint NFTs on EdaFace marketplace and transfer them to other NFT platforms or reserve them in their wallet. This is an intra-chain transfer, which offers flexibility to NFT transactions. 4. Varieties of minting. One unique feature of EdaFace NFT marketplace is that it has 7 minting formats, which are single minting, unimultiple minting, polymultiple audio minting, polymultiple image minting, polymultiple video minting, layer by layer minting, and lazy maintenance. No other NFT marketplace in the industry offers such a variety of minting, thus placing EdaFace NFT marketplace over established platforms such as OpenSea, Binance NFT, and Rarible. EdaFace NFT marketplace brings more utilities for Eda Coin. Watch out for its mainnet version that will unveil this unique platform to the world very soon. Introducing EdaFace Mall, the future of decentralized shopping. EdaFace Mall is a blockchain commerce platform that links physical products to online services using both cryptocurrency and fiat payment systems. It is a decentralized digital shopping platform that revolutionizes e-commerce with its novel built commerce that enables secure crypto-powered transactions. Note that e-commerce refers to blockchain commercial activities. With a peer-to-peer marketplace, global accessibility, and blockchain-backed security, users can shop and sell effortlessly using cryptocurrency. Say goodbye to intermediaries and hello to a seamless, borderless shopping experience. Explore the future of online commerce today. You can access the EdaFace Mall by visiting its official website at mall.edaface.com.